Hey everyone, we've got our preschool open house tonight. So we thought we'd just take you on a quick little tour of the classroom, all set up and ready to go. So welcome to preschool. We've got our letter of the week. Everyone's birthday, star of the week. Everyone gets a turn to do that. Kindness tree. Here's the job board. And more of the classroom. And there's Miss Jackie.
Hi, everybody. Hi. We're excited tonight. We're going to invite all families into our open house tonight for preschool. So we're excited. It'll be a fun group of kids coming this year. See ya. Stay tuned.